Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to share a post link to a text message on Facebook, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Now find the post you want to share. Scroll through your feed or search for it using the Facebook search bar. Step 3. Once you've located the post, look for the share option. It's located at the bottom right corner of the post, represented by an arrow. Tap on it. Step 4. A menu will appear with several sharing options. At the bottom of this menu, swipe left to reveal additional options. Step 5. Look for the text option. This will allow you to share the post link via a text message. Tap on it and your text messaging app will open with the link to the post ready to be sent. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Facebook post link via text message. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.